Expecting this van for you. So let's go through the bodywork. Bodywork, obviously, for the 100,000 mile car, I have to consider sort of satisfactory. Obviously has repairs. This side is fine. It had wing respray. There's imperfection on a smart repair around here. That's fine. Excessive stone chips, bumper damage, the under shields and bumper section shields missing as it is loose. You can see sort of repairs there. There's overspray marks, white, visible, and a black spray. So all the grille is loose as well. This headlight bracket is broken. Whole this side is being subject to damage dent repairs. As you can see, there are overspray marks, clear coat peeling off. There's been obviously the repair standard is not great, right? But I mean, this is what normally you get for the ex-commercial cars. There's excessive fillers used on this section in several places. Heavy filler used around here. There are few paint drips. I took some pictures. As you can see the difference in the color, you can still see the dust present. While I'm here, this section has got fair wear and tear marks. Few corrosion sections there. That vent is sort of broken. Whole roof needs a good clean and probably polishing, because you can see the difference between the roof and the rest of the color. So regards to the rear bumper section is damaged. The heavier corrosion builds up on a crash bar. That cluster broken, that cluster broken. The front is color coded, these sections are not, so those trims too. So you can double check on trims, unless the previous owner did some color coding and left something, so they've been changed because of the damages. That trim on that side has damage, would need a replacement. So as that corner has just an ordinary bolt. Ordinary bolt through, and those brackets around here they're sort of damaged. This side obviously has a dent. We're gonna go for the rotors now, and we'll see how it pulls. The battery tray is there. There's a dent over here. Regards to that's not checked because of the rear camera, because the radio requires a code. Interior has fair wear and tear present. There's a cigarette butt hole. As you can see, it's an ex-business vehicle, 101,000 miles. You will see the wear everywhere, would be normally expected. Those plastics are broken. Windscreen is broken and needs replacement. So what else? Regards to engine and rest of the systems, everything is okay. There's nothing abnormal. There's several lights not working, like front fog lights and one of the side lights here. There's an oil on an air compressor, unless it was to do with some sort of shunt somewhere, as they did a bumper repair on this section here, and they might regas that there is oil on our AC compressor, so it needs to be cleaned and monitored. Other than that regards, there's no abnormal oil leaks on a gearbox, which I don't like, as you had it on a previous vehicle. So yeah, thanks for using us.